Here we are in Round Rock, Texas.
Round Rock, Texas. Matt Jackson, we are at the Dell Diamond, home of the Round Rock Express baseball team, AAA affiliate of the Houston Astros.
Houston Astros. This is where it all happens.
So, but there's no baseball today.
No baseball.
Baseball been very, very good to me.
But there's Volkswagens.
Oh, there are Volkswagens.
And it's October.
And that would mean, and Germans, Volkswagens are German, and it's October. So I'm putting 2 and 3 and 4 together, and it's Oktoberfest.
Oktoberfest with a K.
Yes. Oh, yeah.
And a
It's
T.
Oktoberfest. That's how the Germans say it. And we're going to the German town of Walburg for Oktoberfest.
Yes.
They have a Biergarten.
Garten with a T.
Garten with a T.
So we're doing some Volkswagen cruising in October in Round Rock. Last week we did some in-town city cruising, and today we're doing some.
We're going to the country. We're going to the country. We're going to the fatherland.
The fatherland
of Walburg.
Walburg, Texas.
Yes, we're excited. So stick with us. This is going to be a lot of fun. The weather's beautiful. Look at this. Oh,
it's a beautiful
so
day.
Nice. So we got, I don't know, what about 50 Volkswagens?
50 or 100, yes. So join us today as we cruise through.
We're on the east side of Round Rock and Austin. So this is the Blackland Prairie.
The Prairie Land Cruise.
No hills over here.
Let's do this.
Stick with us.
This is Jason from Old Volks TV. You organized this, didn't you?
Yeah, I did a thing.
Yay, Jason!
Happened. When we get to Taylor, we're gonna turn north. We're gonna go up to Granger, and then we're gonna go a little bit further, and then we're gonna turn on some sketchy side road, and then we're gonna end up at the restaurant. We're not gonna go real fast. We'll just try to stay together. I know we're gonna.
We aren't?
Well, no.
Shocker.
Maybe Tommy. Tommy might go fast.
Awesome. It's like we're getting away from the real world. I think a lot of us, we're into Volkswagens because we kind of long for a simpler time. Back when these cars were new, this is our escape from reality. We actually saw a Beetle, like a mid-70s Beetle, and then a low-light bay window on that cruise. Oh, check out this air-cooled Porsche right here. It's time to go to the Biergarten.
Oh, that was a beautiful cruise. Oh my gosh, we saw like hay bales. I saw a bay window.
I saw a Beetle.
I saw a bay window. I mean, through the country, and we went like over the creeks, and there was one called Possum Creek.
We went over Possum Creek, and I mean, look at this sunset.
Oh my gosh, Matt Jackson.
And you know what? I was thinking.
What were you thinking?
It only takes a little bit to get away from the city and the hustle bustle of the real world. And we drive
these. We just did it.
We go back to a simpler time.
We did. I know. It was like we were just cruising along. It was just amazing. The weather is perfect.
So awesome.
It's perfect. It's perfect. And look at this. Look at all these Volkswagens. And look at that.
And there's more over there.
Yeah, there's 3 over there.
So cool.
Yeah, this is fantastic.
All right, Gary. Well, fun is being had by all, and now it's time to do the most German of things, and that's order a lot of food.
Yeah, Matt Jackson, I am so excited. I have not yet decided. I'm just gonna like wing it when I get up there between the Wiener Schnitzel and the bratwurst.
Yeah, brats. Brats is where it's at.
Tommy B's going
you're going
brats.
Yeah, like and subscribe for some brats. I'm gonna bring it, or like they say here, brought it.
Oh!
So now here's the second most. Actually, this is the first most German thing, is the beer, but we're not much big drinkers.
We're not drinkers. So
Dr. Pepper.
yeah, is that German?
That's German.
Dr. Pepper. Dr. Pepper.
I'll have one Dr. Pepper.
One Dr. Pepper. I don't have a very good German accent.
Thank you, sir. Cheers. Last name. MasterCard.
Hey, Matt Jackson, what a fun night.
Oh, it was a lot of fun.
What afternoon and night.
Yeah.
Cruising out here to the Walburg German restaurant at the Biergarten.
Yep, we hope you enjoyed a little taste of what it's like to be at a German beer garden.
Oh, yes, it was delish. I had a bratwurst with sauerkraut.
And so much Oompa music.
And a Dr. Pepper.
As always, hit
As
the like
always,
button.
please, and tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody you know about VW Life. We do this for you guys. You may not have a beer garden at your community, but we do, so we're lucky.
Yeah. All right, guys.
Thanks for joining us, everybody. We'll see y'all soon.
Later.
Bye-bye.